Hey guys, so let's start with our first video of HTML in web development series. So guys, let's talk about what is HTML, what is the full form of HTML and in which year it was invented. So guys, if I talk about of HTML, so its full form is Hypertext Markup Language and it was invented in 1993. Okay, so these two questions, okay, you should know if you are going to start with HTML. So guys, let's talk about in which tool, okay, I'm starting my HTML code. So in VS Code, okay, Visual Studio Code, we are going to start our HTML first code. So guys, if I am reopening my file, if I show you, okay, how can we start the class. So in this guys, you need to make a new folder. In this one I'm making a new folder like this and I'm going to here. In this one I'm just saying that I am having here HTML first. Then guys, you just use here show more options and open with code. Guys, just follow my steps but I am going to start now. Okay, so let's see my VS Code is opening or not. So yeah, it's coming right now. So guys, in this one there are three options with you. Okay, so in this just go here new file and you should use here, you have to use here first dot html, enter. So yeah, your first step is done right now. You are having your file first dot html. Okay, so guys, let me zoom in. By that you can see what I am doing right now. Yeah, okay. So guys, what we are doing here, we are having here the file with us and let's start the code. Shift 1 enter. So guys, whenever you are starting with HTML, okay, so in that you should use here Shift 1 enter. Okay, so you are getting this full structure of HTML, okay, in which you are having some names. So in this first you are having here document type HTML. So what is a document? I think you all know that what is a document. Okay, so the document which you are using here, that is your HTML. Okay, and in HTML you are using English language. Okay, so in this, what is head now? Head is something like, if I run the code and show you how to run the code, just right click on it and you are having now open with live server. Just click here and you are having your screen, right, in which you are getting document. Okay, so if I am using here title, okay, title is something like the name you are getting over here document. Okay, so this is your title, right? So if I talk about meta, okay, this means that if you see a sky table, right, in that all the numbers are having their own alphabets, all the alphabets are having their own numbers, right? So in this, before this one, right, so the name was sky. Okay, but now it is changed, it is changed to UTF-8. As we know that in sky, okay, there are not all the numbers or alphabets and symbols, so that's the reason in UTF-8 everything is there. Now if I talk about this one, so this line includes responsive. What is responsive now? If I show you what is responsive, responsive is simply means when I use your inspect and this is your mobile view. Okay, so I'm clicking over here and in this one I am using iPhone SE. So in this one, this is your mobile view. Okay, so this is the way. If I am using here like this, everything is properly moving. So this is your responsive. Okay, whenever you are opening your websites in phone or laptop, okay, so then it is fully visible to you, right? So that is your responsive things. So now third thing is their title. You are using document and we are doing our HTML first class right now. HTML first code. Yeah, it's done now. See guys, it is changed to my HTML first code. I think you can see that. Now, what is body? Okay, so one thing is very important guys, whenever you are starting a tag, okay, you have to close that also. If you are not closing to it, it will give you error, right? So whenever you are starting a tag, okay, just remember one thing, close that one. Guys, there are some things, okay, like in which there is important that you need to close the tags, right? But there are few tags in which like if you are using tags, right, so in that one they are not using the closing tags. Okay, we will talk about that also in further classes, but let's focus on body. Okay, so in this one, what is body right now? If you can see guys, there is nothing over here, right? Full screen is blank right now. So what we can do here, we are having here h1. What is h1 now? H1 means that heading. If you want to give a heading to it, okay, so just enter. Okay, so whenever you are using here, like I am doing again h1, enter. So when you enter, right, you are having this one, and if I am opening my h1, so I have to close that as well. So if I am writing over here html1, so just focus on this guys, I am getting here html1. Okay, so my first task is done. So let me tell you guys, if you are working for the headings, okay, so there are about 6 headings: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. So the bigger one is h1 and the smaller one is h6. Let me show you. In this one, if I want to so I'm using here h1 and 5 because I don't want to waste my time to over here, and I'm using here now. 1 second. Okay guys, so now 3 I'm using here, 3 oops, 1 second. Now I am doing very slowly guys because it's your first session. Now see guys, the magic over here. HTML1, HTML2 are so much. Okay, so in this one, this is my bigger one and this one is my small one. As this is your first, this is your sixth one. So just focus on this guys. If I am using your h7, okay, I'm getting nothing. If I am using my h1 tag over here and I'm saying HTML7, see guys, what's the changes now? I'm getting this one. Okay, this is not bold one. Okay, so I'm not getting the bold color over here. I'm getting only this one. So this is the difference between all your addings and this one as 7. So at 7 is getting like the same one. Okay, it is not giving you the changes. If you are doing here 7000 as well, it will not give you any changes. See guys, no changes are coming right now. So it simply means that after h6, if you are using any heading, okay, that will be not changes. Okay, so in this one guys, this was about first class of HTML. In the next class, we will talk about some paragraph things also, and many things will be there. Okay, so guys, do follow my channel right now, okay, because on daily basis I will upload the series of HTML. Okay, so let's talk about this one guys in the next video. Bye bye.